Hi guys! I'm Kenny and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell sa title ng video natin today, what I'm gonna do is full face using products na mabibili nyo sa Shopee. Some of the products na gagamitin ko are my favorites, like ginagamit ko na sila before, and some of them are new, kaya I'm super excited and I'm crossing my fingers na sana may mga madiscover tayong bagong product na magaganda. And speaking of Shopee, make sure to mark your calendars kasi magkakaroon ng super fashion and beauty sale ang Shopee this coming April 26. I actually have a 100 pesos discount code sa kanila and that is Shopee X Kenny M. So for those of you na nagbabalak na bilhin yung mga product na gagamitin ko today, or kaya naman, if you guys are looking for some new fashion and beauty finds na pwede nyong gamitin ngayong summer, make sure to use my code para kahit papaano maka-discount or makatipid kayo. So yung aking code is valid until April 26 and pwede nyo siyang gamitin on your first purchase. Also guys keep in mind na yung code is valid lang siya for first 1,000 users and you can use it lang kapag ka naka 500 pesos pataas kayo. I don't know about you, pero ako talaga guys, isa sa mga favorite kong online shopping destination ng Shopee kasi they have over 8 million. I repeat, over 8 million fashion and beauty bargains and most of them pa are super affordable. Tapos, they also have a flash deal for as low as 9 pesos kaya super bongga and exciting talaga. Anyway, ayun lang. So, start na tayo mag-makeup kasi super excited na ako. I'm going to start with my kilay and yung product na gagamitin ko is itong Make It Pro Starter Pen from Detail Makeover. Yung shade nga palang meron ako is medium brown and actually, medyo matagal ko na tong binili sa Shopee kaya lang, never ko siya nagamit, I don't know why. So, as you guys can see, sa kabilang side, meron siyang spoolie and on the other end naman, meron siyang retractable na pencil. Actually, ang plan ko today is gumawa ng super intense and dramatic na makeup. So, gagawin natin medyo intense yung kilay and so far guys so good. So far so good with this pang kilay because as you can see talagang nagsho-show up yung color and intense yung pigmentation niya. Maganda yung pangkilay guys kasi it's very creamy, it's pigmented, super bilis niyang gamitin, tapos kahit light-handed lang kayo, nagsho-show up talaga yung kulay niya kaya I like it, bongga siya. Also, I forgot to mention na kapag nga pala hindi ko nasabi yung presyo ng product, what I'm gonna do is ilalagay ko na lang siya sa may description box and also ililink ko yung shop kung saan nyo siya pwedeng bilhin. For foundation, ang gagamitin ko today is one of my favorites and that is itong Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. Super ganda ng foundation na to kasi full coverage siya, as in natatakpan niya talaga lahat ng chismis. Kaya lang, medyo mahirap siyang hanapin dito sa Philippines but sa may Shopee ang dami nagbebenta and mas mura siya. To apply the foundation on my face, ang gagamitin ko is itong velvet sponge and this one din guys, ang dami nagbebenta sa Shopee. Actually, first time kong gagamitin to kaya I'm super excited and hopefully magustuhan ko siya. So ito na guys, kinukuha ko na yung product and tignan natin kung maganda ba siyang ipang-apply ng foundation. Diba tignan nyo guys, super ganda ng coverage ng foundation as in natatakpan niya talaga lahat ng chismis sa face. So pagdating naman dito sa may sponge, so far guys, so good kasi napansin ko na hindi niya nasusoak up lahat ng product, like lahat talaga nasa ibabaw lang ng sponge kaya matipid siyang gamitin pang-apply ng foundation. Tsaka maganda din yung finish ng foundation with this one kasi hindi siya patchy, hindi siya streaky. Super nice actually, I like it. Maganda siya. Okay sa akin tong sponge na to guys kasi sobrang perfect niya ipang-apply ng foundation, especially kapag full coverage kasi matipid siya, hindi niya kinakain yung product. To conceal and highlight, ang gagamitin ko is itong Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Light. So since medyo dark yung aking foundation, what I'm gonna do is medyo kakapalan ko ng konti or dadamihan ko yung concealer na ilalagay ko para medyo maglighten lang siya ng konti. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga full coverage concealer, I'm very sure na magugustuhan nyo to guys kasi ang ganda ng coverage niya. Tapos hindi rin siya ganun kabigat kapag nilagay sa skin kasi diba may mga concealer na sobrang bigat and sobrang lagkit niya sa skin, but this one hindi, sakto lang yung niya, consistency. To blend this, I'm just going to use the same sponge na ginamit natin for foundation. Nakalimutan kong i-press yung record button so hindi ko na naipakita kung paano mag-bake, but yung ginamit ko is yung favorite ko which is yung Coty Airspun Loose Powder. Yung gamit ko guys is yung translucent extra coverage and every time na ginagamit ko to, people ask kung saan siya nabibili and isa sa mga pinakamagandang bilhan nito is Shopee kasi ang dami nagbebenta nito ng mura. Tsaka super affordable nito guys kasi this one is around 400 to 450 and You get 65 grams, kaya super tagal niyang maubos. Para naman sa parts ng face ko na hindi ko pa nilalagyan ng powder, ang gagamitin ko is itong Pink Sugar na All Day Matte Powder in the shade Medium Beige. This is actually my first time using this one and medyo weird lang kasi wala siyang salamin, I don't know why. So, pick up lang tayo ng product using a brush and what I'm gonna do is ipapress ko lang siya sa skin. So, first impression with this one, maganda yung coverage niya because as you can see, nakakapag-add siya ng konti pang coverage kaya kung mahilig talaga kayo sa super full coverage, okay na okay din to. Medyo powdery lang siya so be careful and I suggest na if ever nagagamitin nyo siya, i-press nyo na lang yung sponge or yung brush then tsaka nyo siya i-press sa skin. To bronze/contour ang gagamitin ko is yung aking favorite. Gamit na siya actually, which is yung Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade Porshur. I was checking my makeup collection earlier and sad to say pero eto lang yung bronzer na nakita kong available sa Shopee kaya naisip ko na eto na lang. Tsaka favorite ko naman siya so why not, diba? Gamitin na natin. I like this one kasi it looks very natural kapag nilagay sa skin. Very sun-kissed lang yung effect niya. Tapos very affordable too, like less than 150 I guess. Sobrang sulit niya guys. Pigmentation of this one is nice as well kasi hindi siya overwhelming, hindi nakakatakot gamitin. So, baguhan ka man sa makeup or matagal na, hindi ka matatakot na gamitin siya. So, proceed muna tayo sa may eye makeup and yung gagamitin ko today na eyeshadow palette is itong Bad Habit na Athena palette. Actually guys, super tagal ko nang gustong gamitin to kaya lang wala akong chance but finally eto na, magagamit ko na siya. This is how it looks like once you open the palette and as you can see, super gaganda ng kulay, ang daming warm shades, sparkly, ang bongga lang. Actually, isa pa sa reasons kung bakit gusto ko siyang subukan is because ano daw siya, dupe para sa may Huda Beauty na Desert Dusk and alam nyo naman na hindi natin afford yun so dito na lang tayo. For my transition guys, ang gagamitin ko is this one which is called Lore. Medyo powdery yung palette so be careful and i-tap off nyo na lang yung excess. Pero for me guys, what I'm gonna do na lang is magbe-bake ako sa under eye para if ever na bumagsak yung eyeshadow, mas mabilis siyang tanggalin. So with this color, ang gagawin ko guys is ilalagay ko lang siya all over my crease. Wow, pigmented AF. Grabe yung pigment niya guys, oh my god. Grabe ha, first color pa lang pero as you can see, pasabog na siya. I love it. Dito naman tayo ngayon kay Power and what I'm gonna do with this color is ilalagay ko lang siya ng mas mababa dun sa may first one and ifo-focus lang natin siya sa may outer part. Medyo ma-fall out siya guys, so be careful na lang. Pero grabe yung pigment, sobrang impressive guys. High-end na high-end yung level. Using the same brush, dito naman tayo kay Clever which is yung dark brown shade and ganun din, i-focus lang natin siya sa may outer part para mas maging dark and deep yung kulay niya. So this time, using a concealer, what I'm gonna do is ikakat ko lang yung aking crease. For my lid, ang gagamitin kong shade is this one called Epic and para siyang iridescent na purple shade. Feeling ko sobrang perfect niya for this eye look kaya ito yung gamitin natin. So ang gawin natin is i-press lang natin siya on top of the concealer. By the way guys ha, hindi ko na nga pala binasa yung brush para makita talaga natin kung ano yung itsura ng eyeshadow kapag ginamit natin siya as it is. Oh my god, I love this color guys. It's super nice. So using a small blending brush, ang gawin naman natin is paghaluin lang natin si Power and Clever. Tapos, i-blend lang natin yung edges nitong eyeshadow para lang gawin siyang mas soft. For my blush, ang gagamitin ko is itong Pink Sugar HD Cheek Color in the shade Paris Light. For my highlight, ang gagamitin ko naman is itong Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. For those of you na nagbabalak bumili nitong highlighter na to, I suggest na sa Shopee kayo bumili kasi mas mura siya compared sa mga nasa mall. On my lips, ang gagamitin ko is itong Ofra Cosmetics Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sanibel. This is actually my first time na susubukan itong shade na to and hopefully magustuhan ko siya or kaya bumagay siya sa makeup look natin today. Maganda yung kulay niya ha, in fairness, I like it. This is the completed look. I love my makeup guys. Super ganda ng kinalabasan niya and lahat ng mga product na ginamit natin, sobrang on point, ang gaganda. Sa lahat ng product na ginamit natin, for me, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga is itong Bad Habit na eyeshadow palette. Super ganda niyang investment guys kasi lahat ng mga shade dito sobrang wearable and pwede niyo siyang gamitin para gumawa ng day-to-night looks. That is it for today's video and again, for those of you na nagbabalak na bilhin yung mga product na ginamit ko, make sure to use my discount code para makatipid kayo. Also guys, lahat ng information na kailangan nyo will be listed sa my description box so i-check nyo na lang yon. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see all of you again on my next one. Bye guys!